Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jason in Virginia on this old school 66V. Jason is working real good for us here. Single final radio. We added a VFO mod as you requested. Let me see if I can demonstrate that. I don't know if we can or not. There you go. You wanted a real quick one? There it is. Let's go ahead and get to the tune-up report. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Half-watt carrier. We roll it all the way up. 5 watts. I'll roll it back down. 100-watt slug, average power. Low 13 bird, which is an increase of what, 400% over what it was doing bird. 100-watt peak. Low 30 on the money. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.